Hello guys, I'm Nisha Bandal. Welcome to our YouTube channel Edufy India. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, and you can connect us with the WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram and Facebook. Today we learn the fundamental unit of the life part 2. In the last video, we see what the fundamental unit of the life, cell and their component. In this video, we learn cell organelle and their example. Various components present inside the cell are called as a cell organelle. Example, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, lysosomes, mitochondria, plastids, and the vacuole. So let's start with the first, which is the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum is a large network of a membrane bound tube and the sheets. It looks like a long tube or a round oblong bags. The endoplasmic reticulum is a similar in structure to the plasma membrane. There are the two types of the endoplasmic reticulum. The first is a rough endoplasmic reticulum and the second is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum look rough under the microscope because it has a particle called as a ribosome attached to its surface. The rough endoplasmic reticulum manufacturing the protein and then sent to the various places in the cell depending on the need. Then the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It looks smooth under the microscope are called as a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in the manufacturing of the fat molecule lipids. It important for the cell function. Some of this protein and the lipid help in building the cell membrane and is process known as a biogenesis. Some other proteins and the lipid function as an enzyme and the hormone. Functions of the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum serves as a channel for the transport of the material between the various regions of the cytoplasm or between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. The endoplasmic reticulum function a cytoplasmic framework providing a surface for some biochemical activities of the cell, and the smooth endoplasmic reticulum play an important role in the deoxifying many poisonous and the drug. Golgi apparatus. Golgi consists of a system membrane bound vessels flattened slack arranged approximately parallel to each other in a stalks is called as a cistern. It discovered by the Camillo Golgi. This membrane often have a connection with the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum and therefore consisting another portion of the complex cellular membrane system. It also called as the Golgi complex and the Golgi body. These membranes are connected with the endoplasmic reticulum. The material synthesized near the endoplasmic reticulum is a packed and dispatched by a various target inside and outside the cell through the Golgi apparatus. Functions of the Golgi apparatus: storage, modification and the packaging of the product in the vesicles. In some complex sugar may be made from a simple sugar in the Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is also involved in the formation of the lysosome. So now we see the lysosome. Lysosome. Structurally, lysosomes are the membrane-bound sac filled with the digestive enzyme. These enzymes are made by the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Lysosomes are the kind of the waste disposal system of the cell. Lysosomes help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material. This help to keep the cell clean by digesting any foreign material as a cell as a one out of the cell organelle. The foreign material like the bacteria, food, in the lysosomes break complex substance into the simple substance. The lysosomes are able to do this because they contain the powerful digestive enzyme capable of breaking down all organic material. For example, when the cell get damaged, lysosome may burst and the enzyme digests their own food, therefore it called as a suicide bag. Now we see the mitochondria. It is a membrane bound organelle found in the cytoplasm of all eukaryotic cell. Mitochondria is also known as the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria has a two membrane covering, the outer membrane which is a porous and while the inner membrane which is a deeply folded. This folded increasing surface area for the ATP generating chemical reaction. ATP is adenine triphosphate. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for the life. ATP is also known as the energy currency of the cell. The body uses energy to store in the ATP for making a new chemical component and the mechanical work. It's released by the mitochondria in the form of the ATP. They have their own DNA and the lysosomes. Now we see the plasticytes. Plasticytes are present only in the plant cell. They are the two types of the plastocyte, chromoplast and the leucoplast. Chromoplast which contain the color plasmids and the leucophytes which is the white or the color plastocyte. Chromoplast containing the pigment chlorophyll are known as a chloroplast. Chloroplasts are important for the photosynthesis in the plant. Chloroplasts also contain the various yellow or orange pigment in the addition to the chlorophyll. Leucoplastic. are primarily organelles in which a material such as starch, oil, and the protein granule are the stored. The internal organization of the chloroplast, consisting of the numerous membrane layer emitted in the material, is called as the stroma. Stroma are similar to the mitochondria in the external structure, and the plasmid also have their own DNA. Now we see the vacuoles. Vacuoles are a storage sac for a solid or a liquid content. It is also known as a storage sac. Vacuole are a small size in animal cell, while the plant cell have a very large vacuoles. The central vacuole of the some plant cell may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. In a plant, cell vacuoles are full of the cell sap and provide a turgidity and the rigidity of the cell. Many substances of importance in the life of the plant cell are stored in the vacuole. This includes the amino acid and the sugar. In some unicellular organisms, specialized vacuole also play important role in expelling excess water and some wastes from the cell. Cell division. The process by which a new cell are made is called as a cell division. New cell are formed in organism when a old cell is dead and injured. So the new cell are made up is called as cell division. There are the two main types of the cell division, mitosis and the meiosis. Meiosis, the process of the cell division by which most of the cell divided for a growth is called as a mitosis. In this process, each cell called mother cell divide to form a two identical daughter cell. The daughter cells have the same number of the chromosome as a mother cell. It helps in the growth and the repair tissue in the organism. Meiosis. They divide a different process called as a meiosis. Specific cell, reproductive organ or the tissue in animal and the plant divided to form a gamete in the form of the meiosis, which involve the two consecutive division. When a cell divided by a meiosis, it produces a 4 new cell instead of just 2. The new cells only have a half of the number of the chromosome than that of the mother cell. So this is all about the cell fundamental unit of the life. Thank you.